Hi, welcome to M&Z Tech Pit. So today I'm gonna try to make 5 of my awesome shea butter and mango butter. So stick around. If you've not joined the family yet, subscribe to us. Join us, learn about all these new products and the fitness videos that we have on this channel. For my loyals, thank you so much for coming. Thank you for always being loyal and just supporting this channel repeatedly. So let's get to the video. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with our raw shea butter and our raw mango butter base. This is gonna be the main ingredients for my body butter, guys, and I also use it in my hair. Anything I make on this channel is all natural, all vegan. So let's get to it. First, I'm gonna melt the raw shea butter and the raw mango butter base. Yes, these are the bases. I'm gonna melt them in the microwave for 2 minutes. Please ensure you check your microwaves so that you are aware of what settings to use. I'm just gonna use 2 minutes and I'll be back in a second. Hello guys, so yes, I'm back. This is the melted raw shea butter and mango butter base, and it's all melted in the microwave for 2 minutes. Let's get making. This is the vitaminE cream base I will be using as a base for my creams, guys. So stick around if you want to see the end results. It's gonna be awesome. So we're gonna combine both of these, guys. This is my vitaminE cream base, 2 cups, and this is my raw shea butter and my raw mango base. It's melted. It was melted in the microwave for 2 minutes. So let's get to it. So guys, I'm just going to add that. Yes, should actually get a spatula, but hey, I'm using what I have until I see results, guys. Until I see results. Just folding that in. Just adding it. So I've added the vitaminE cream base to my shea butter, my raw shea butter and my raw mango base, and I am gonna actually blend that up. Let's see how we get on. So guys, I'm just whisking it up. Guys, this is the finished product. Look at this. Oh my god, and it feels so nice. This is the finished product. Oh, it is so nice. Guys, once you start making your own stuff, you won't stop. This is great for both your hair and your skin. This is awesome, guys. You need to try it. So guys, I'm just gonna show you quickly how it just add moisture to my daughter's hair, and it just leaves it all soft so that I don't have to be just detangling and all that work. Yeah, so that amount, a pea size, rub it up, I've used it on these ones already because I wanted to test it out, and that's what it looks like, guys. A pea size, and that's all the moisture. Just look, now I can put my fingers through. This girl's hair, guys, you don't want to know, but these products, she's inspired me so much. I'm just gonna add a little more to it. It's not even no joke, guys. It's not even any joke at all. So that's it. And then I'm just gonna twist it because I'm not gonna comb it. So guys, you're just gonna twist it. I won't comb it out or anything, because the less you comb your hair is the more it retains its length. For those of you who love to comb, I don't really comb a lot. Even my hair, I don't really comb a lot. Look how it's lengthened this hair, guys, so much. And I used it on this one, and the white has actually gone out of it, and it's just left with all this nice soft hair. That one is drying as well, and these ones I haven't used it in, so it's a bit these ones just need a bit more moisture in it. But guys, look at this. It lengthens your hair as well. You want to try it. And then guys, then you can use it on your skin as well. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Look at that. You can see this is a finished product. You can see, look at it, so soft. I actually made more than I wanted to. Please like, subscribe, and share us out, because you don't want to miss all this great stuff. Look at all that beautiful cream. You can use it in your hair, you can use it on your skin, and it's all vegan. So try it out, guys. Try it out and let me know how you get on. Share, like, subscribe. See you in the next video.